Welcome to Reviews Heaven, your go-to channel for the best product reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best food steamers that will make healthy cooking easier and more exciting. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or someone looking to simplify meal prep, these steamers have something for everyone. From versatile multi-tier designs to compact options for baby food, we've got it all covered. And don't worry about hunting them down. We've made it easy for you. All the product links are right in the description box below. So, stick around and let's steam our way to healthier, tastier meals together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. OVENTE 2-Tier Electric Food Steamer. Tired of battling your stovetop to make healthy meals? Enter the OVENTE 2-Tier Electric Food Steamer, your new kitchen sidekick that's as smart as it is simple. This 400-watt wonder turns water into steam faster than you can say, "What's for dinner?" It's like a sauna for your food, cooking it evenly while keeping all those precious nutrients intact. Say goodbye to greasy pans and hello to guilt-free feasting. With 2 stackable baskets and a 5-quart capacity, you can steam veggies, fish, dumplings, or even an entire dinner in one go. And don't worry, your broccoli won't end up tasting like your salmon. The 60-minute timer and auto shut-off have your back, so you can avoid the dreaded mushy veggie syndrome. Clean up? A piece of steamed cake. The dishwasher-safe baskets and collapsible design make storage and cleaning as easy as pie. Plus, it's lightweight, so you won't need a gym membership to move it around. Ready to steam your way to a healthier lifestyle? The OVENTE steamer is here to make cooking less of a chore and more of a joy. Because who said healthy eating couldn't be fun? Number 2. Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer. If your kitchen had a superhero, it would be the Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer, saving your meals from grease, mess, and chaos. With a whopping 7.4-quart capacity and 2 stackable tiers, this gadget lets you steam veggies, fish, dumplings, and even rice all at once. And no, your broccoli won't taste like your salmon. It's flavor segregation at its finest. The steamer is ready to go in just 30 seconds. That's faster than deciding what to order for takeout. The clear water level indicator takes the guesswork out of refilling, and the auto shut-off and boil-dry protection ensure your cooking adventures stay safe and stress-free. Clean up? Easy peasy. The dishwasher-safe baskets and removable base make washing up a breeze. Plus, its compact design means you won't need to play kitchen Tetris to store it. Ready to steam your way to healthier meals? The Bella Steamer is here to turn "What's for dinner?" into "Dinner's already done." Number 3. Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer. Looking to cook healthier meals without turning your kitchen into a science experiment? Meet the Cuisinart STM1000 Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer, the ultimate gadget for food that's tasty, nutritious, and stress-free to prepare. With its powerful steam system, this steamer surrounds your food like a warm, flavorful hug, cooking everything evenly and quickly. It's big enough to handle family-sized portions, so no one's left fighting over the last bite. The LCD control panel is so easy to use. It's like having a personal chef at your fingertips. Start, stop, pause, reheat. It's all just a button away. Plus, the 1-liter water tank lifts off for refills, making it as convenient as it is clever. And that stainless steel steaming tray? It flips to hold everything from delicate fish to hearty grains. Clean up? Forget about it. The glass pot and tray are dishwasher safe, giving you more time to relax or binge watch your favorite show. Sleek, safe, and packed with features, this steamer proves that healthy cooking doesn't have to be complicated or boring. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer. Say goodbye to boring meals and hello to the Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer and Rice Cooker, your new kitchen MVP. With its 5.5-quart capacity and 2 stackable tiers, you can steam veggies, seafood, rice, and even chicken all at once. Got a big appetite? Just remove the center divider for larger portions, because no one likes sharing their broccoli. This steamer is so easy to use, it's practically foolproof. Fill it, set the digital timer, and let it do the hard work. When your food's ready, it beeps and switches to warm. So you won't find yourself yelling, "Oh no, the veggies." And if you're feeling fancy, the delay start feature lets you time your meals like a pro. Clean up? No sweat. The stackable tiers nest neatly for storage, saving you from a game of kitchen Tetris. And if you're into eggs, this steamer cooks up to 16 at once, perfect for feeding a crowd or your inner egg enthusiast. Ready to make healthy cooking fun and effortless? The Hamilton Beach Digital Steamer is here to turn mealtime into your favorite time of day. Number 5. Nutribullet Baby Turbo Food Steamer. Parenting Hack Alert. The Nutribullet Baby Turbo Food Steamer is here to save the day and your sanity. This multitasking marvel steams fresh baby food, defrosts frozen meals, and even sterilizes bottles, pacifiers, and toys. Basically, it's like having an extra set of hands in the kitchen. If those hands were also great at cleaning. With 5 steam settings and a timer, you can whip up warm purees faster than your baby can say mama or cry for it. Got frozen food? No problem. This steamer turns icy cubes into ready-to-eat meals in no time, so you can skip the microwave juggling act. And let's talk about sterilizing. From bottles to teethers, it keeps everything squeaky clean and baby safe. Cleanup is just as easy. Everything's dishwasher safe because who has time for scrubbing when you've got diapers to change? For parents who want less mess, less stress, and happier meal times, the Nutribullet Baby Turbo Steamer is a total game changer. Your baby deserves the best, and so do you. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. We hope this roundup of the top 5 best food steamers helped you find the perfect one for your kitchen. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews. Happy steaming!